Welcome to Affordable Home Decor by Chris. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've been gone for such a long time, but I was doing some great things while I was gone. So today is going to be a super simple DIY for you guys, and it's going to be very cost efficient. I went to Home Goods and I saw this very beautiful tray, and I wanted to mimic it. So I figured, hey, Home Goods is very cost efficient. It's not like ridiculous in price, and that's the great part about it. But it also gives you a sense of you're doing this on your own when you, I guess, do it on your own, right? So this is going to be cheaper than Home Goods little tray that I saw and purchased. I'll show you that. And I think you guys are going to love this DIY. So you will need a few things. You will need to get yourself some gems. Now I got these gems from Amazon, from Super Outlet. I would tell you that they say about 240 gems come in that bag. I don't know if that's necessary to order from Amazon, because you can get the same gems from Michael's, and I'm pretty sure that each one has minimum 120 of the gems in it. And if you were to use your Michael's coupon for 40% off, you can get it for even cheaper than that. I paid about 11 bucks for that bag, and you can get it for about $3.50, I think, if you were to get 40% off of Michael's. You'll need some E6000. Now I got these little handles here from Amazon, your E6000. Now I have quick hold and your standard E6000. Not sure which one I'm going to use yet. You're going to use your hot glue gun and also some rhinestones that I got from the Dollar Tree. So I guess we're going to go ahead and just get started. And guys, as you see, I placed the knobs onto the mirror to make it look like small legs for the platter. And that's going to be beautiful. So in order for it not to look like it's cabinet knob handles, I'm going to add a little bit of bling to it. So I'm going to do that, and I'll be back to show you the finished product. Okay, I'm gonna add wrap to the very last one for you guys on camera. You have to make sure you get your hot glue in there properly. Hot glue goes so fast, so you have to be really quick. Unfortunately, it's got on my hand a little bit. And let's redo this. Around the corners. I'm going to turn it a little bit and get the rest on my side. and just wrap. And just cut off the excess, whatever you don't need. I try to do it opposite. I try to actually cut the excess after, but for some odd reason, it was kind of hard. I'm sorry, before. I apologize, before. But it was hard to get that very last rhinestone on. So I decided to go ahead and wrap it around and then cut it off. It was a little bit easier for me. Okay, and whoop, we're all set with that. So now we can flip this around. And there you are so far. Beautiful. So around here, I'm going to put some bling around the corners of this to make this prettier and just give it a finishing touch. Okay guys, here is the finishing results of this super simple DIY. Look at this beautiful platter. This is sitting next to one I actually got from Home Goods, and you cannot tell me that it does not rival the Home Goods platter. It was easy, it was cost efficient, and it makes you feel like you are doing something for yourself instead of buying everything, right? So I also forgot to tell you guys that the actual mirror I got from my local dollar store is called Dollar Castle, but you can definitely get that from Michaels. Michaels will cost you around $4.99, $5.99. This one here was $2.99, but with Michaels, you will get a better quality mirror, and you can also use that 40% off coupon they normally give you. So I hope you guys loved it. Please, 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 if you're new to my channel, subscribe. I want you to make sure to click on that bell notification so you'll continue to get videos from me. If you loved it, please share. And thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.